새로운 삼매삼보도 의즈난 단저도 옹죄리 주리 준태서와 옹블름. Welcome to the Nourishing Qigong workshop. The mantra I just chanted comes from one of the earliest feminine divinity called the Big Dipper Mother, the Queen of the West. It is said that all Taoist cultivation was transmitted from her and dated around 2,500 years ago. So the Nourishing Yin workshop is an encapsulation of approximately 1,000-year-old feminine cultivation created by the immortal sister Sun Bu, who is a practitioner of Taoist immortal alchemy, or it's called Nidan, the internal cultivation of the elixir of long life. The Nourishing Yin cultivation has been in abeyance for almost 800 years. Until in the late 1990s, a fort wall at a monastery crumbles and revealed behind it 24 beautiful dance figures. And the figures is the Jade Maiden taking leaves of the Big Dipper Mother in order to descend down to the mortal realm to help the people, to guide the people toward this most exoteric and wondrous cultivation of gentleness, softness, and more important, the interior energy flow. I am so delighted to be able to share with you this new discovery. And both as a Chinese doctor, as well as a dance choreographer, I was able to reconnect, revitalize from the figure into a very nourishing, gentle Qigong form that especially attenuate to the yin feminine aspect of all of us. You will say, what is the masculine Qigong? Well, masculine Qigong is the Shaolin monk Qigong. And they are hyper masculine, with breaking bricks and breaking rocks with their head and taking a spear point on the throat. That is called masculine hard Qigong. It does not fit, especially for women. The Nourishing Yin Qigong workshop is open to all, and it benefits to all, because we all, whether man or woman, has the feminine yin energy aspect of ourselves. And in traditional Chinese medicine, blood is considered yin, while qi is considered yang. When qi and blood flows together, you have life. It is the qi that carries the blood. But the blood is the mother that gives birth to qi. I hope you could join us in this monumental inauguration of the Yin Qigong lineage of the Dragon Gate.